Training your Shih Tzu is not just about teaching commands, it's about building trust, understanding, and a strong bond with your furry companion. With the right methods, patience, and consistency, you can turn your Shih Tzu into a well-behaved, confident, and happy dog. Start your Shih Tzu training by teaching basic commands such as sit, stay, and down. These simple commands create a strong foundation for all future training and help your dog understand how to respond to your instructions. Basic obedience not only improves your Shih Tzu behavior, but also strengthens communication and trust between you and your pet. Crate training is an effective and gentle way to help your Shih Tzu feel safe, while also supporting house training and good behavior. Start by placing soft bedding and a few favorite toys inside the crate, and encourage your Shih Tzu to go inside on its own. Gradually increase the time your dog spends in the crate, rewarding calm behavior with treats and praise. Crate training can create a sense of security for your dog, while making daily training and home life easier and more organized. Leash training is an important part of teaching your Shih Tzu to behave calmly during walks. It helps your dog learn to walk beside you without pulling, jumping, or getting distracted. Hold the leash gently and encourage your dog to walk with you. Practice regularly in quiet areas and gradually introduce busier places as your dog becomes more confident. Start house training as early as possible. Whenever your dog needs to pee, gently take it to the potty pad right away. Guide your dog toward the potty pad and encourage it to use that spot every time. You can lure your dog with a treat and reward it after it uses the potty pad correctly. With patience and consistency, your dog will quickly learn where to go, making house training easier and more successful. Socializing your Shih Tzu is essential for raising a confident and friendly dog. Introduce your dog to different people, pets, and environments from an early age so it feels comfortable in new situations. Take your Shih Tzu on short walks, visit safe public places, and allow gentle interactions with other dogs and children in a safe and controlled way. Clicker training is an effective and positive method to teach your Shih Tzu new commands and good behavior. A clicker is a small device that makes a sound to mark the exact moment your dog does something right. Start by clicking the device and giving your Shih Tzu a treat, so it learns that the sound means a reward. As your dog begins to understand the commands, slowly reduce the treats. Once your Shih Tzu becomes consistent and confident, you can gradually stop using the clicker as well. By following these training techniques regularly, you can raise a disciplined, friendly, and joyful Shih Tzu that makes your home full of happiness and companionship.